priming my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Just going to put that all over. Then I'm going to spray my face with the Milk Setting Mist. Now using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to put that all over the eyes and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm just setting that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I like to set right before I go in with my shadows. I will be going in using the Morphe NYANE palette, the Fierce Fairytale, starting with the Baby Bear. It's the brown shade in the palette. It's the only brown shade. So I'm going to use the Pargitahh, I think that's how you pronounce it. I will be going in with this Shapeshifter shade. It's a really pretty shimmery golden color. So here I'm just packing on that color a little bit more just to make it a little bit more pigmented. I purchased these lashes at a local beauty store. You probably have them in yours as well. I see them everywhere. And I really love how curly these lashes are. So under the eye, I applied the E.L.F. color corrector. Now I'm using the NARS Natural Radiance Foundation in the color Tahoe. Using the HUDA concealers, I'm using Toasted Almond and Granola. Granola on the outside and Toasted Almond in the middle. Applying that to the nose, the chin, and a little dot on the forehead. like how this concealer blends out. It's really creamy as well, but it blends out so flawlessly. Now I'm going to be setting the under eye with the Mercier translucent powder. I have deep creases in my you know, my under eye area, so it is really important for me to go right in with that concealer as soon as I'm done blending it out, just to make sure everything stays in place and that I don't crease up too bad. I'm just gonna take that powder and buff it out all over the face to set the foundation. More time, and this time I'm going to let the setting powder sit a little longer because I am an oily skin girl. So I like everything to just stay in place. Going in with the Juvia's Place bronzer palette in the tan. Wiping away that excess powder. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of the darker shade from that Juvia's Place bronzer palette, just to give it some more depth. Then I go under that with the foundation that I use, not applying any more foundation, just using what was already left over on the brush. Now I'm going to be using the blush palette by E.L.F. And I circle in all of the colors. There's no specific color that I use from there. I just, you know, go through all of the colors together, mix them all together. I use this brush just to blend everything out and make sure everything is, you know, flowing all together. Juvia's Place loose highlighting powder on the nose and on the cheeks in the center between my eyes. beauty marks. I actually do have a beauty mark right there, but all of the other ones, you know, it's a little extra. Using the Cork lip liner by MAC to outline the lips. Now I am applying the NYX Lip Lingerie, and I think it's the shade Silk Indulgent. Applying some lip gloss right over that. This is definitely my lip gloss for the summer. Alright, and this is the finished look. It's so pretty. I feel like this look came out really pretty. It's so flawless. Thank you for watching the whole way through. Give your girls a thumbs up and subscribe and comment below to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.